Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as remote control for any TV. So it doesn't matter the type or brand of TV you have, whether it's an LG TV, a Samsung TV, Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, a Google TV or an Android TV just like mine over here. I will carefully guide you on how to use your Android phone or iPhone as remote for any TV you have. Now, first things first, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. And then from the search bar at the bottom over here, you want to just come over to the search input field. Now, you want to search for the official app of your TV. Now, if you have an Android or a Google TV, then the app you should be looking for is the Google Home app. If you're using an LG TV, then you should be looking for the LG Think app. For a Samsung, it is the Smart Things app. And for a Vidaa Smart TV, like the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, it should be the Vidaa app. So in my case over here, I have an Android TV. So I'll just go ahead and look for the Google Home app. Mine is literally over here. So I'll just click on the install button now to get the app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Now, once you have the app, the setup process for most of these applications are quite the same and simple. All you just have to do is to open it up directly from here, give it all of the permission it requires, and just follow all of the on-screen instructions. In some instances, you will be required to create an account. So a Samsung TV might require you to enter your Samsung TV account. And for an Android or Google TV like mine over here, I have to sign into my Google account as well. And that is basically all you have to do to fully set up the app. And once you're done setting up the app, you want to proceed to make sure that both your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you do not have the remote control of your TV to connect it to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network the same as the one on your phone, I have a separate tutorial in the description of this video that will help you connect any TV you have to Wi-Fi without a remote control. You can go ahead and check that out. So once your TV and your phone are now on the same Wi-Fi network, depending on the app you have, you should be able to find the devices tab. For the Google Home app, at the top you're going to see this box icon. This is actually the devices tab. Once you tap on it, you're going to see all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, of which the Android TV or the Google TV is actually listed over here. You can see I have the living room TV. All I just have to do now is to select it, and then you should be able to find the remote option. Remember, you're going to have something similar on any brand of TV app you get. Now, all you just have to do now is to click on the remote option over here, and now you're going to get a code on your TV which you're required to enter inside of here. Once you're done entering the code, you just want to click on pair, and automatically you now have this nice looking remote control that you can now use to navigate through your TV without any problem. For those using the Google Home app, once you click on the three dots icon at the top, you also have a different style of remote, and that is basically how to use your phone as remote for your TV, any TV at all. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.